welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. You guys have enjoyed the field trip so much, so we are headed into this bougie grocery store. Never been here, but I hear it's really good, so let's go see what we can find. Come along. Learned this tip from my mom. You know, make it difficult for them to steal your purse. There we go. She's blocked it. Don't worry, these are clean carts. I mean, this is my kind of place. They've got fresh flowers. Publix. I don't. A sumo mandarin, huh? It's like a sumo wrestler? That's genius. I like that idea. It's salad toppers. Cherry almond, cranberry pecan. So if you were taking like a salad to an event, you could get that and make it super easy for you. It's like pre-portioned. I personally like romaine, and our family will use one stock, so this is 3 salads. So that's what I like to use. They're right. So I brought Isaiah, I sent Isaiah to the grocery to get avocados, and they were the worst avocados ever. How genius is this? Like somebody has the job of putting stickers on them to tell you they're ready to eat. I love it. Man, that just makes my day. Guys, this is charcuterie heaven right here. Like this is my go-to place now. Look at all the olives and all the things. I'm excited. Let me do another charcuterie table. Okay, there's no Dunkin', but that makes me want to go back to New Orleans. Cafe du Monde. Oh, the beignets. Oh, we need to go back there. This aisle smells incredible. Like I could just stand here. Okay, I know I didn't get a lot this time, but I was a little overwhelmed. This is somewhere I would come back, maybe for special occasions. But other than that, it's just a grocery store, right? It's just a bougie, fancy grocery store. I did enjoy the prepared food that they have. You know, you don't always have time to cook, but you could still eat at home. And so we'll show you when we get home what we got. Here's our little mini haul from Fresh Market. I got fruit, which that was a really good price. It was kind of the same price as Publix. I got strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. This was fun. I was excited to find this. The salad toppers. I'm all about a salad topper, and I love to eat salad. Romaine, like I said, 3. So that's 3 salads for our family. This was exciting. They have an entire bar there of things. So I got the baked potato salad, which is kind of fun for the family. Some tomatoes, and then I got lemon butter breaded chicken breasts. So one of the things I really thought that was cool was that they had a lot of prepared foods, which I still have to cook the chicken, but it was already, it has like the seasonings and everything on it. So you just throw it in the frying pan and you're good to go. And then we got some vegetable chips for Abigail. We'll see if she likes them. I'll let you guys know later on. But comment down below. Oh, got beer for Asa. He's a Stella kind of guy. I think he's pretty Stella. Mom jokes. Comment down below. Let me know, are you a Fresh Market shopper? Like, if you are, what do you like? You're a pretty Stella. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye. except for the cameraman. I mean, it's a sign. So, I've never heard of this brand.
Yes, that is a sign. Like that's an actual.
Ha ha ha. It's a sign I'm supposed to come here for my charcuterie needs.